Hey bitches. That was ratchet. I'm sorry. Hey bitches. My hair looks so fucking ugly right now. I'm gonna be doing a purple look for you guys because it was requested on my Instagram, which I recently did a purple look, but I'm gonna do another one because for shits and giggles, I don't know guys, I don't have brown eyes, so it's not gonna look that good, but majority of people do have brown eyes, and purple eyeshadow looks really good on brown eyes. So if you have brown eyes, do this shit. Okay, let's get into it. My skin looks so bad. So this is what we have on this side. This is the eye look that I came up with. I used the Norvina number 4 palette. I used this palette, and I used this shade, this shade, and this shade, and that shade. So that, and that. I used the Jaclyn Hill Morphe 2 palette, so like volume 2 on therapy session. This one, that one right there. So that is how I created it, and this is a full cut crease with like an eyeshadow wing. Oh, I also used the brown shade, the cool tone brown right there. It's B5. So this is what it came up with. I really love the shimmer shade, and I like the purple. It kind of came out pinkish, but we're gonna work with it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I already primed and set it. I primed my eyes with the Benefit Bling Cakeless Concealer or whatnot, and I set it with my translucent powder, my ABH powder in vanilla. So I'm going to be taking C4, which is the like light lavender shade, and I'm just going to be putting this in the crease as like basically this will be our transition. Then I'm going in with E4 with just a different brush that's a little bit more rounded. Then I'm just going in with the purple pinkish shimmer shade on a flat brush and trying to carve out the fold. And I'm just going to go in with my finger into the same shade just to pack some more on the lid. Then I'm going in with this small angled liner brush to do the wing. And if you mess up at all on the top, you can just go back in with that same pink shadow to just kind of clean it up a little bit. And you can use that kind of as like almost like a concealer if you were just to do a regular winged shadow. They're kind of looking a little bit different here, so I'm just going to try to fix that up, and then I'll be right back with you guys. So that was it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it a lot. These will probably get shorter and shorter as I go because I obviously don't show much, and I've learned to know how to cut them down a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the look. If you have any more color requests on what you guys want to see, let me know. I'd love to create some ones for you, or if you have one palette you want me to create a look with, or if you guys want me to start doing some like fall looks, I'll definitely get onto that. Just let me know whatever you need, and hopefully I can do that for you guys. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much, so much, and I'll see you guys next time.